dill pickle-brined wings. When I say that at a party, everyone turns to look, and then they dig in and love them. Start with 2 cups of dill pickle juice. Taste it, and if it isn't salty, add salt 1 teaspoon at a time. Then stir in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 15 to 20 chicken wing drums and flats. Make sure they're fully submerged. The pickle juice makes them juicy and flavorful, while the baking powder helps the skin crisp up and brown. Brine in the fridge for 2 hours, then pat dry. Line a baking sheet with foil and set an oven-safe rack on top. Spray the rack lightly with oil so the wings don't stick. Arrange the wings in a single layer and top with the brine spices. Bake at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes to dry out the skin and let the baking powder start working. Without opening the oven, increase the heat to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and keep baking until they're golden and crispy, about 30 minutes more. Pull them out, flip them over, and return them to the oven for another 15 to 30 minutes until the tops are perfectly browned. Once done, sprinkle them with salt if needed, and optionally, but seriously don't skip it, add a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and 2 teaspoons of chopped fresh dill. Toss until coated. Garnish with dill pickle spears to serve. They're so juicy inside from the brine and with that delicious pickle flavor throughout. And they're crispy too because of the baking powder, even without any deep frying. Baked, pickly, chickeny goodness. Now go make these and turn some heads.